Day 13, lucky 13. That's my lucky number.
And it's one day before my birthday, so it's a pretty lucky
Sean's
day.
birthday tomorrow. I'm curious what wine we're gonna get on your birthday.
I don't know. Today it's gonna be a red. Maybe it'll be red. I'd really like a red for my birthday.
Today it better be the rosé, because 13 is my lucky number, and I'm looking for a rosé.
Looking for a rosé today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you getting bored with my?
Yeah, all you do is want a rosé. So if the wine curators are watching, how about a rosé? Oh, and if you're enjoying this wine video, wine adventure here, give us a couple likes and thumbs up, or write us a comment down below.
Yeah.
We seem to be getting mixed reviews here, and like if we don't know what you like or don't know what you don't like, it's hard to kind of change the style or change the flow of these videos. So it looks like some people are enjoying it, some people aren't. So let us know like what you do like, what you don't like, and you know we can help try to cater like our videos a little bit better. If it's too much of us talking, you want us to know what the wine is, we can open the bottle of wine, drink it, tell you what we think, and just tell us to shut up.
No, we thought this would be a fun little box, and it's something to look forward to. I feel like every day, like we look forward to the evening and opening a new wine and finding out, about the new wine and stuff. So
well, it's fun. It's fun for us. So if you don't like it, stop watching. How about that?
I like that.
Yeah. So I'll let you do the honors.
Sounds good. Day 13. It's under a white. It's a red. Latitude 44 Pinot Noir.
From where? California?
From France.
Again.
Interesting.
Yeah. So, Latitude 44. This is a Pinot Noir from France. So this is like just keep adding on to our French wine collection in this box here. So I wonder how this is going to taste. You can't for Pinot Noir. Well, I guess you could see through it a little bit.
Looks really light.
Okay, well, I'm going to open it up. Cool. I won't bore you to death with me opening it, so. Oh, so light.
Yeah.
All right.
I feel like this box is going really in our favor.
French, Italian, French, Greek, whatever.
Can't complain.
Right.
Whatever.
So we have Latitude 44 Pinot Noir product of France. Let me pour a little bit for you.
Sir. Interesting. Did you see that?
No.
You're gonna have to zoom in on that part because I swirled it and it literally jumped out of the glass. I missed my mouth.
So, very light color.
Spicy, earthy. Smells like a Italian wine that we've already had. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells familiar.
Like 2 days ago.
Doesn't smell like, it doesn't smell like a Pinot Noir to me.
We had that Italian 2 days ago on what's today? The 13th?
Yeah.
So the 11th day was our, the Italian. So it does kind of have that earthy,
yeah.
dark fruit again. It smells kind of boozy though too.
Yeah, definitely a little alcohol in this.
There's wood. It's woody.
Yeah.
Woody.
Okay. Try it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, flavor-wise, I would say it's medium body. It's not really drying me out at all.
No, but it's acidic, right?
Yeah.
Not very tanniny. Lower tannins, high acidity.
Right.
Bing cherries.
I'm still getting earthiness.
Earthy, herbal.
Herbal, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. So.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I don't mind it at all, actually.
It's good.
Latitude 44 is a round and well-structured Pinot Noir from France with soft tannins that leads to a very smooth, lingering finish. It presents a harmonious blend of red and dark fruit flavors, accented by subtle spice notes. I think you're spot on.
Yeah.
It is a 2024 red wine from France. So I feel like they're very vague.
I know.
And it's interesting that like they wouldn't list out the grapes. I mean,
They call it a Pinot Noir. You think it's 100% Pinot Noir?
No.
It's called a red wine. They're calling it a red wine.
Right. So.
I don't know. Maybe not.
The blending grapes that we read last time that we had a French, it actually listed 5 different grapes.
Yeah.
But it was considered a red blend, not a Pinot Noir. So like maybe maybe you don't have to call it or list out the grapes if you're over a certain percentage of Pinot Noir grape.
It's possible.
Yeah, I wonder. It's easy to drink.
Yeah.
Very. That's like a before dinner wine, after dinner wine. It's not.
I like it better.
Me too.
Alright, so on wineadvent.com it says Vin de France Pinot Noir has an intriguing history. Originally, Pinot Noir is one of the oldest grape varieties, with its roots tracing back to Burgundy, the most famous region for this varietal. However, Vins de France designation emerged relatively recently. In 2009, a new classification that allows winemakers greater flexibility and creativity. Unlike traditional appellations, Vin de France wines are not confined by strict regional boundaries or regulations. This means that winemakers can source Pinot Noir grapes from various regions across France, blending different terroirs and creating a unique and diverse expression of the varietal.
Oh.
The Freedom Association with Vin de France has led to exciting and experimental styles of Pinot Noir, offering wine enthusiasts new flavors and experiences while still maintaining the essence of French winemaking heritage. How to pair it with duck, salmon, mushrooms, cheese, pasta with light sauces, and roasted chicken.
Interesting.
Really good. I think doesn't really need food.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Doesn't
nice
need
and light.
food. It is
Once
very
it opens
light.
up a little bit, that alcohol flavor's going away a little bit. Rating?
Yeah. You want to do paper?
Sure. All right. We're gonna rate the wine.
Yes.
This is hard. I like it more the more it sits.
Right.
Okay. Don't listen to my drawings. Don't listen to my drawings. Like 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can see that.
Yeah, I think they
1,
came
2,
with
3.
the marker.
Oh. This is the first time we've been in agreement on a rating
Yes.
for any of the wines so far.
First time.
Wow.
Spot on.
Okay.
Nice.
So we feel the same way about it.
Yeah. No,
Nice.
I really like it.
Cool.
I think it's
Very good.
interesting.
Yeah, 7.5. I think it's good with or without food. I would give this to someone.
Yeah. No, this is
Yeah.
you could literally
Easy to drink.
you got a cheese board or something. You're kicking off a dinner party or something. Like this is a good wine.
This with blue cheese, I feel like would be a good.
A good hit.
Yeah, like a mushroom cream sauce pasta, or like a blue cheese on a cheese board.
Yeah. Very boozy still.
Yeah,
Like
I
right
know.
out of the
Right
bottle.
out of the bottle. Yeah, it needs to sit. So cool. I'm happy with that.
What do you think my birthday wine is going to be?
I don't know.
Red or white?
Wouldn't it be funny if it was a rosé?
For my birthday?
What do you rosé for your birthday? What do you want it to be?
I'll take a red from just about anywhere.
Just about anywhere.
No, this was exciting. Pinot Noir from France. I don't see them doing another French wine tomorrow. I think.
Yeah, I'm shocked at how many French wines we've had.
Maybe they'll do a white from California tomorrow.
I've been waiting for that.
I know, but I want a red. But I feel like we're back in that. We just did white red. I think we're gonna go back to white tomorrow. I would like it to be red, but I think white is what it's.
What about white from Washington State?
Sure. Let's say white from California.
Okay.
White Washington for you. Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, thanks for watching our.
Sean's birthday is tomorrow, so everyone wish him a very happy birthday. And
Tomorrow is my birthday.
we're dedicated to filming this series, so we will be filming on his birthday. So, yeah. He's getting old.
No, I'm not. Cut. All right, cheers. Thanks for watching.
Cheers,
See you tomorrow on my
thank you.
birthday.
See you tomorrow for Sean's birthday celebration.